Welcome to Civilgistics, a web and mobile application that makes planning and collaboration easy for civil construction. Creating a project takes less than 30 seconds. Add the project name, the code, which can be the contract number or unique identifier, and the address to help the project team easily recognize what the project is and where it is located. When you no longer want to see or no longer need to be a part of a project, click the Manage Projects arrow to move the project off of your active feed. From the Manage Projects page, you have access to all the projects that are not on your active projects homepage. From the Manage Projects menu, you can also put the project back on your active feed or remove the project completely from your profile. Here you can see all future operations for your upcoming projects. All operations include the project name. This is useful for managing resources, such as a paving crew going from project to project and identifying scheduling conflicts. Projects are dynamic, and there are a lot of moving parts that require everyone to be on the same page. Start using Civilgistics today with your free trial and check out all the additional features the application provides to make operation planning and collaboration easier.